Welcome back. I'm Dylan with BimmerTech. Have you ever been working on your car with the battery disconnected and this happens? Well, keep watching to find out how to fix that. When working on anything electrical in your BMW, you always want to make sure you disconnect the battery, but if the trunk closes, things get annoying. Now, there are 3 ways that you could open your trunk. Manually with a key, manually by going through the back seat, or by having someone jump the car. If you have an older BMW, you may actually have a keyhole that you could put the key blade in. Now, check your manual to see if you have one, and if you do, where it is. Now, if you're able to, crawling through the back seat into your trunk may be a good option, and it also might be a good game to play with your kids and have them do it. So in most cases, you'll only be able to release the center section from your seat inside the car. So pull that down, and once it's down, start wiggling yourself through. I hope your trunk is clean. Once you're in here, look around for the trunk latch. Pull that, and you're good to go. Now, if all else fails, you might need some external power by either a jump box or another vehicle and jumper cables. So we're gonna need to pop our hood, so pull your hood latch twice to release the hood. And once you do that, you can come over and pop the hood, and you're gonna wanna look for the positive terminal and a good ground position for the other terminal. And BMW usually marks that with another post right here. So we have a good spot for that. That's our negative, and this is gonna be our positive. So we're gonna take our jumper wires, positive to positive, negative to negative, then either turn on the external power or have your friend start his car. Once your car is getting power, you can pop your trunk just like normal. Once your trunk is popped, you can disconnect the external power. Now, the best way to stop any of this from happening is to prevent it from happening in the first place. Once you pop your trunk, you're gonna wanna take a towel and wrap it around the trunk latch. Once you do, it'll stop the trunk from fully closing. Here's a bonus tip for you. If you find that one day you just can't open your trunk by either using the button on the trunk and your key fob isn't working, but the rest of your car is functioning normally, well, it may be your valet switch. Your valet switch is going to be located in your glove box or in your center console. Now, what it's designed to do is disconnect the trunk from the electrical systems in the BMW so you can't open it anyway electronically. So you could store your valuables in there and then hand your key fob over to your valet worry-free. Now, if you like that video, do us a favor and make sure you hit subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss any videos about how BimmerTech can help you out with your ride. Also, don't forget to check us out on Facebook and Instagram as well. Thanks for watching.